So how can you use social media to advertise your open houses? Now, when I say advertise, I don't mean that you're just posting on social media, because the sad news, the unfortunate news is when you post something on social media, most people don't end up seeing it. Facebook is really kind of stingy with the way it is that they show stuff to you. Now, if you pay them to show stuff to people, you can pretty much guarantee people are going to see it. But if you're just relying on the free posting method, it's not usually going to work too well. So let's say you do have like $20, $30, maybe even $50 to spend to advertise your open house or try to get more people there. How should you go about doing this? Look, to make this a real nice, easy, short answer, go into Facebook advertising, type in the address of your open house. It's going to drop a little pin there, and now you select the radius of how far you want to advertise from that open house. And you want to remember, less is more. Less people that you're advertising to are the more people they're going to see the ad more frequently. If you advertise to a huge radius, people might not even see the ad. But if you advertise to a small radius, those same people are going to see the ad 3, 4, maybe 5 times. And what happens then is they might consider coming to the open house. So social media is really great. Facebook, Instagram, they all have different ways that you could use them, but don't rely just on the organic results. If you want to use these platforms to their fullest potential, they make you pay for them. And this money, if it's done correctly, can be money very well spent, because these will make your open houses very popular and have lots of people at them, lots of potential leads if you do that correctly.